Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how you can develop your word power in a very limited time and in a very smart and clever way. So here is a demo for you. Suppose I'm reading a book, as you can see here, and you find a word like evidence, evidence. The moment you see the word, you know the meaning. Like its Hindi meaning is praman. When you will consult a dictionary, you will find it. It means proof also. So something that proves what really happened can be called evidence. Now, what are the adjectives that can go along with this word evidence? Here are the adjectives like photographic evidence, solid evidence, forensic evidence. Now, how do you come to evidence? How do you reach to evidence? What are the tools and techniques which help you to come to the evidence or proof? So, here are other words like security camera. The moment you see this word security camera, imagine what are the adjective that can go along with this word security camera. So, you can say hidden security camera, digital security camera, hacked security camera. Similarly, you can say here clue. Clue means something that helps you to reach to the evidence. You can say a hint. For example, single clue. So single is an adjective that will go along with clue. Important clue, hidden clue. Here are other words like operation, a covert operation, botched operation, clandestine operation. So if you don't know the meaning of all these words, you can consult the dictionary. Like clandestine means hidden operation, covert operation. Similarly, safe. We all know safe is similar to something where we keep our valuables, that is safe. For example, locked safe, fireproof safe, impenetrable safe. Impenetrable safe means very difficult to break it, or you can say damage it. That is impenetrable, that cannot be entered or destroyed. So this is how you have learned words like evidence, operation, safe, clue, security camera in less than few minutes. So this is how you will gradually learn words that will be automatically, you can say, you will start storing in your subconscious mind.